hello.
Hi.
I am here with Nonoy. He's my driver for today because the best way to get around this island, I think, if you want to see a little bit more, is to get a car, ideally with a driver who knows his way around. So this is what we've been doing. Now this place here is really a tremendous surprise. This Gracia's resort is a hotel and a bar and a restaurant. I just had an excellent meal here. Good fish here from the ocean, excellent langostinos, paired with a margarita, a honey margarita they call it, which was also great. And considering the price of approximately €2 for the cocktail, I cannot complain. And the location is really nice, as you can see. I asked whether they actually had foreign tourists who come here, and yes, Australians, Canadians, but mostly those who have families here on Panay Island. We're here in the Capiz province of Panay Island. You see those little islands over there? I have my drone with me. I'll fly over there and take a look at this beach also from above. Should be very nice.